everything's shooting action. Everything here. See how it feels? Everything's worth it.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Versus walk style, and then look at this. Like it shoots like down the barrel and actually hacks. But it's here. Walk happens, you're here, and then it's here. See how the hand from the walk style? The hand didn't go with the leg. Right? The leg moved and the hand moves separately. So it keeps the pressure. So if you are going to now go back and do this, we say I'm going to go across, and you go here. Wait, sorry, let me just. If you're here, you go pop, go up, here. You have to feel how each motion of the hands and the feet keep the pressure, if not build it. You're still going to have the 1, 2, 3. But you're not going to have the 1, 2, 3. Take the pulse number. Okay? And the thing, and that's crazy. In reality, you wouldn't let off the gas. In here, think about this. Oh, that hit. Where's my pressure? He can still feel pressure. He didn't feel this. See what I mean? Like, so I go, oh. Now I go, oh. So that hit him too. And then it goes, and then that's in the way. So everything's shooting action. Everything here. See how it feels? Everything's worth it.